everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got an Asos box to share with you, and this is their beauty box for September. So as always, if you're new to the Asos beauty box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward if you're just interested in seeing what I received. Asos have been doing these monthly beauty boxes for I think over 2 years now, and I absolutely love them. I get so excited when I see them come up on the page. There's no particular time or date that they come up on their page, but it's usually around the first few days of every month, and they tend to sell out super fast. So if you're really interested in taking a look at a box to see if it's for you or not, because you are able to see online the full contents and it's not a subscription. If you want it, you have it, but if not, you don't have to. As soon as I find out that they have released a box, I'll add it to my Facebook page and my Instagram page, and I've started adding it to my community tab on here just to let you know, because sometimes by the time I receive this box, even though I pay, I think it's £9.99 for a year of free next day delivery, by the time I get around to unboxing it, it's sold out. So as soon as I find out, I post it up everywhere, so then you lot get a chance to see if it's a box for you or not. So the cost of the box varies. Generally, month for month, the boxes are £12. This month's box is £12. They do tend to increase in value if they have a collaboration box, and they do collaboration boxes around every, say, 4 months or so. That is what has been happening over the last year or two anyway. We had a collaboration box last month, so we're not due another one for a long while. Maybe Christmas. Maybe we'll have them Christmas. In these collaboration boxes, you've got brands by Bobbi Brown, Clinique and Pixie, so they are definitely worth checking out, and they tend to be between £15 to £18. Now this is the best of, so it's a couple of items inside their box that have been quite popular in previous boxes. All the items that are featured inside their boxes you can go on to buy on the Asos website. Sometimes we get full size, sometimes we get samples, and sometimes we get like minis. All details and everything related to this box I'll pop down below. So underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up my description, and all details and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it. So let's get on to showing you what I received this month. So we've got a little card, so I'll be referring to this as we go along, and then here are the contents. Woo! Now they look teeny tiny this month. It's a best of, so all the brands in here are amazing brands. I do really like them. I was expecting at least 1 or 2 full-size items, or at least good like travel sizes or something, but these are teeny tiny. These are teeny tiny. But then saying that, one of the items which I do love, you can actually buy that for about £8 to £10 anyway. But anyway, I'll just read you a bit of information about what it says on the card. So it says, the best of Asos. Welcome to the September Face and Body box. This month we've put together a selection of the best-selling beauty bits on Asos. So starting with the first item, it says first up is the Glam Glow Super Mud Mask, which you've probably already seen all over your Instagram feeds. Full of skin-loving ingredients like glycolic, salicylic and lactic acids. This mask works to help heal damaged skin, smooth pigmentation and clear acne. Perfect for any at-home spa days you've got planned. So there's 15 grams there. I remember the huge buzz around this when it came out, probably about 3 years ago, 2.5 years ago, something like that. So I have tried it. I've tried it a few times, and it is a really good mask. Out of all of their masks, I think this one is probably one of my favourites. I haven't tried them all, but I have tried this one quite a few times. It's the Super Mud Clearing Treatment. I don't have acne, but I do have large pores, and I have sort of normal to combination skins. Sometimes I get dry outer edges there, so I tend to concentrate it more in the middle. So yeah, it's a nice mask, but it doesn't excite me because it's been around for a long time, and it would have been nice to have something a bit different. Next, there's the cult favourite Emma Hardy Moringa Cleansing Balm, which will melt away even the most stubborn makeup while nourishing your skin. Warm it between the palms of your hands and gently press into your skin as you inhale the yummy blend of essential oils, including orange and rose. I absolutely adore this. I absolutely adore it, and I love these little pots like this because this is handy to put in my little going away stash, which is growing by the day. Okay, not literally, but I have got a load of like travel size products that are just handy like to dip in if I ever go out. I haven't been out at all during this year at all, so they are stacking up a bit, so hopefully I'll be able to have a night away or a little trip away next year. This is a wonderful cleansing balm. It is so lovely. As it says, the scent is gorgeous. I don't like rose and it's not a really strong rosy smell, but it's just so nice and it just literally melts on your face. I just use a dampened face cloth then just to take it off, and it is gorgeous. So nice. So nice. Oh, I love it. Next, we've got another favourite of mine, and it says here, when you've wiped off the Emma Hardy Moringa Cleansing Balm, add this Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator to keep that skin looking plumped and dewy. I think this has got to be my all-time favourite moisturiser. I don't know, if I was stranded on a desert island and I could only bring one moisturiser, it would be this. I do love loads of different other types of moisturisers. Oh my god, there's so many out there. But this one, I know it works for my skin and it is just so lovely. It's so lightweight. It absorbs brilliantly into my skin on top of the skincare and underneath makeup and primers and things. And it just leaves my skin feeling so soft. It is a gorgeous moisturiser. Really lovely. And this is the item that can be bought at this size. On Asos, and I'm sure it's about £8 maybe, something, or £7-8. Yeah, there's 15 mils there. So again, a nice little travel size there. Look, it's so nice. Yeah, I love that. Next it says, then there are two makeup hits. The Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, which absorbs oil and reduces shine all day, creating a flawless finish, so no flashbacks in photos. Now, this has got like I'd say it's like a khaki green top, so this is the glow version. If it had a black lid, that is just your normal translucent powder, but this is the glow one, and it is really nice. I Laura Mercier powder, oh my word, it is an amazing powder. It is really good. Again, perfect if you're going to go away somewhere and you just wanted to downsize your makeup. But I've got a few of these now. I have got quite a few. How much is here? It's not much, but you only need a tiny bit. They do last me a while. I don't know how much is in here. I don't know, but you can sort of guess from the size it is. It is a little mini there. Now, I don't use any glow setting powders underneath my eyes because I just don't want to draw attention to any eye bags or lines or anything under there. But this powder I would use just to set in certain areas on my face, like my forehead mainly and my chin and things, and I might set it here. It's a really nice powder, but I know some of you would prefer to have the black topped one. It doesn't say in the information. There might be different ones in different boxes. I'm not too sure. So we got that, and then lastly we've got a mascara, and it says here, finally we've got the NARS Climax mascara to make sure those lashes are looking on point. Oh, and keep an eye out on site for the brand's Climax Extreme mascara, which is coming soon. It delivers even more volume and fullness all in one coat. I can't wait for that. I absolutely love this mascara. It is amazing. It is such a good mascara. Now, Feel Unique, the sample service, I've done a load of videos if you don't know anything about that. There was a time on their website that they had a load of NARS samples, and I managed to get a few of these, and they were in different subscription boxes. Or am I thinking about Latest and Beauty maybe? The collection boxes, I don't know. Anyway, I went through a phase of having quite a few of these and I absolutely love it. Now, I've got really short, straight, really stubbly eyelashes, which are a bit of a nightmare to find a good mascara to use. My all-time favourite is Too Faced Better Than Sex, but this one is pretty good. This one's pretty good. It is pretty close to my favourite. They're all sort of travel mini sizes, aren't they? So yeah, so we got a mascara by NEX, so I'll just gather them all up. So here are the items inside this month's ASOS box. It does resemble more like a Feel Unique sample service box. Not so much Pick and Mix, but maybe the beauty kit. If you've ever had a look at beauty kit, you'd know what I mean, or seen any of my videos. They just seem really small. As I said, the brands are gorgeous. The products, I've tried them all. Having this moisturiser in the box, you know, it costs, what about, say it costs £7. So you're paying £5 for the rest of these items here. I do think it would have been nice to have something bigger in there. Maybe, if not bigger sizes of these products, but just something just to bulk it out, because it just seems, I can't get out of my head that, you know, I'm unboxing something from Feel Unique, you know. for samples, but I do like it. I do like it. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Have you ordered it, or have you had a look and you just think, nah, it's not for me this month? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.